Hello, and welcome to the OnePOD Camera introduction video. The OnePOD Camera sensor is the latest addition to the OnePOD family that delivers one design, one experience, and one key for protecting and displaying high-end camera and camcorder equipment. The OnePOD Camera utilizes the existing flat OnePOD 155 or 165 or 160 stands for a consistent aesthetic across the entire store. The OnePOD Camera is part of the OneKey ecosystem that uses the OneKey to disarm OnePOD stands and other security devices. The OnePOD Camera features quick disconnect from the stand for a completely hands-free experience, or nightly removal using a magnetic key. The OnePOD Camera delivers an interactive experience for the customer viewing the product and a sales associate demonstrating the product. The camera stays armed and continues to receive power and is fully functional for 20 minutes or more during lift and after disconnection from the stand via a custom battery coupler and onboard batteries on the sensor. The OnePOD Camera sensor features 4 positions of perfect placement on the stand and a recessed shroud for stable display of many camera lens combinations. Another major feature of the OnePOD Camera is 3 methods for protecting lenses. The first method is the hidden lens sensor, which mounts a small flat plunger element between the camera body and the lens. If the lens is removed before the stand is disarmed, the sensor will alarm. The second method is the Series 950 mini lens sensor. This also uses a small plunger against the lens body, and it physically tethers to the lens to alarm if that sensor cable is cut. The third method is a mechanical lens bracket that physically blocks access to the lens release button. With no alarming function but a metal construction, this is the highest security option for a display with no intention of removing lens from the sales floor. The OnePOD Camera sensor is quick and easy to install onto a camera body for display. Please refer to the instruction manual for detailed installation steps. The OnePOD Camera comes with a mounting plate, the main sensor body, anti-rotation brackets, and 2 mounting screws. Other pieces that you will need for installation include your lens security of choice and a battery coupler for your camera model. Step 1. Turn the camera upside down and open the battery door. Insert the battery coupler for that camera into the battery compartment. Most modern DSLRs have a small port that will allow the cable to pass through, so you can close the battery door completely. Step 2. Screw the mounting plate directly into the tripod thread at the bottom of the camera with the T20 head in your multi-tool. Step 3. Based on your choice of lens protection, you may perform this step earlier or later. For this example, we are installing a hidden lens sensor. To install, peel off the protective backing of the plunger element and place the element directly on the camera body. Place the lens back on the camera body and press the cable onto the body of the camera to conceal the cable. Step 4. With the battery coupler and lens sensor attached to the camera, insert both 4-pin plugs into the main sensor body. Step 5. Carefully press the sensor onto the mounting plate and use the 2 mounting screws to tighten using the T15 head in your multi-tool. Insert the recoiler tip into the bottom of the sensor and seat on top of the stand. Your OnePOD Camera sensor is now installed. A full instruction guide can be found on the brand portal. Detailed information on the new OnePOD camera can be found on the brand portal in the sales presentation, frequently asked questions document, and competitive analysis documents. Please don't hesitate to reach out to Derek Johnson or Ying Zhang for product-related questions or concerns, or to schedule a customer visit to present this and other InView solutions to your key accounts. Thanks again for your time, and happy selling.